South Carolina attorney Alec Murdaugh will not get a new murder trial. That's the decision from a judge after a dramatic day of testimony in court. ABC's Rhiannon Alley has an explanation from the judge.
This morning, Alec Murdaugh's lawyers are vowing to appeal a judge's ruling denying Murdaugh a new trial in the murders of his wife and son. Murdaugh's lawyers claim a court clerk with a lucrative book deal tampered with the jury before last year's verdict.
Becky Hill attempted to influence these jurors, that she made these statements.
One of those jurors took the stand yesterday. At first, she seemed to agree with the claim that clerk Becky Hill influenced the verdict.
To me, it felt like she made it seem like he was already guilty.
Did that affect your finding of guilty in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
But that juror later took back those comments and said it was actually other jurors that swayed her. Hill also took the stand, acknowledging her deal to write a book about the trial, netted about $100,000. Hill's friend, also a court employee, testified they discussed plans for the book before the trial.
She said we might want to write a book because she needed a lake house and I needed to retire. And then further conversations, a guilty verdict would sell more books.
But on the stand, Hill said this when asked about trying to persuade the jury.
I never talked to the jurors about any of the evidence.
The judge eventually ruled the allegations about Hill's behavior are not enough to grant Murdaugh a new trial. But the judge had these stern words for Hill.
Ms. Hill was attracted by the siren call of celebrity. She wanted to write a book about the trial and expressed that as early as November 2022, long before the trial began.
Murdaugh's lawyers say they are confident the appeals court will grant a new trial. But South Carolina's attorney general said it's time to move on. Rhiannon Alley, ABC News, New York.
Alec Murdaugh is also serving 27 years in prison after admitting to stealing millions of dollars from his law firm and clients. So even if he had been granted a new trial, he would not have gotten to walk free. Christina?